How do you sell more products as an Amazon influencer? Now, people have a rough time as it is selling as an Amazon affiliate, which in a lot of times is based on maybe blogs they've created to somehow drive traffic to certain offers. But as an Amazon influencer, you have sort of a neat creative job here, and that is to influence people's buying decisions. So one of the easiest things that you can do to approach this is think about solving people's problems. What is it that people have a problem with that you can solve with a particular product? See, the truth is this. A lot of times we find something that we like and we want to promote it, but the truth is we might like it, but is it really solving a problem for someone, right? So you have to think in terms of, is this going to influence somebody's idea of buying something based on, do they really need this? Can this really help them out, their life? So, I mean, I'm a gadget person, and I'm sure you've seen gadget videos. Gadgets solve a problem. So whether it's dicing up an apple or maybe taking zucchini and turning it into spaghetti, like you've seen these gadgets before, people buy those because they make their life a little bit easier and they want to solve the problem of what? It could be, eating habits. It could be, just a different way to do something faster. So how to go from point A to point B in a quicker amount of time. So gadgets really serve a purpose in that sense. And so I did a little kind of reviewing myself online of what was out there just to see what people use to solve problems when it comes to using big platforms like Amazon. And I found different lists of things that people were attracted to buying based on those. And those could be ideas to be used for your videos if you're creating shoppable videos already, or for that matter, if you're creating videos for YouTube and then trying to draw traffic from there to your Amazon influencer account. Or maybe it's Facebook you're drawing traffic in from. But the point is this. If you could find the pain point, if you could solve a problem, then right there, that can really get you to from point A to B a lot faster and to create a better income based on that. Because a lot of times you're just throwing darts at the wall and you're not sure what you should be selling. Solve problems. Again, it could be simple as opening up a jar, like some sort of device that does it for you. So I think gadgets really work out well. I did find something that was like a magnet that goes on your fridge, and what it does, it gives you air fryer cooking times for certain things, and so you never forget. You put it on the fridge and basically set it and forget it, but you're not forgetting because you're going to look right at it when you need to know the answer. The point is this. You're solving a problem for those who maybe like to use air fryers and like to understand the specific times for certain things. So with that being said, find a problem to be solved, find that product, and then put it out there. But don't push it in the sense of a salesy type of pitch. Try to say, here's what it can actually do for you. This is why this will make your life easier. Listen, if you want to learn more about the influencer program, or for that matter, the on-site program that you can be eligible for once inside, be sure to head to the description box below. And I would do it now while the holidays are still kind of coming up upon us, because people are going to be shopping online. And where do they do it most? But the biggest platform in the world, Amazon. So why not be part of their shopping experience? As I said, go to the description box and I'll walk you through not only about being in the influencer program and the benefits of doing on-site videos, basically shoppable videos, product review videos, and get paid to do those, but you will also learn about the Amazon Associate Program and how to get leverage out of that, especially if you have a website, because a lot of people don't know how to get people to their website. But there's a lot of great things out there and tools that will get you going faster. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.